In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Microsoft Excel through an easy integration process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and explore each step to make this connection seamless and efficient. First things first, head over to Zapier.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, it's time to sign up for your free Zapier account. Zapier is the service that will act as a bridge between Mailchimp and Excel, helping to automate processes without the need for advanced coding skills. With your Zapier account ready, ensure you also have access to both your Mailchimp and Microsoft Excel accounts. This is crucial as you'll need to connect them both to set up the automation. Once everything is in place, it's time to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between your apps. On the Zapier dashboard, click on the Create Zap button. This will bring you to an interface where you can start defining the automation by setting up a trigger. Now select Mailchimp as the trigger app, meaning Mailchimp will initiate this particular workflow whenever a certain event occurs. When choosing the trigger event, you have several options, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with New Subscriber. This trigger means that every time someone subscribes to your mailing list on Mailchimp, the Zap will kick into action and update your Excel spreadsheet. With that decided, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account through Zapier. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your Mailchimp account. Don't worry, this is a normal step to ensure security and privacy. After authorizing, select the audience or list you want to keep an eye on. This is the list where you want new subscription data to be pulled from. The next step involves setting up what happens after the trigger is activated. Here, you'll select Microsoft Excel as the action app. For the action event, choose Create Row. This will automatically create a new row in your designated Excel worksheet to accommodate any new subscription data coming from Mailchimp. Now let's configure the action. Select the appropriate workbook and worksheet where you want the new data to be added. A crucial part of this process is mapping fields from Mailchimp to your Excel columns. For example, map fields such as the subscriber's name, their email address, and subscription date to corresponding columns in your Excel sheet. This ensures that information flows smoothly from Mailchimp to Excel without any hiccups. Once you've set up your action, it's time to test and publish your Zap. Make sure everything works as expected by running a test. If all goes well, hit publish and your Zap will be live. Now, anytime someone subscribes to your Mailchimp list, their data will automatically be added to your designated Excel spreadsheet, keeping everything organized and up to date. That's it! You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Microsoft Excel in just a few simple steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to streamline your data management efforts. Thanks for watching and happy automating!